Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their printers to Verizon hotspots? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare setup. Ensure your computer is connected to the same network as your Verizon Jetpack. Download and install the HP Smart app on your device. Step 2. Activate Wi-Fi. On your printer, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for at least 3 seconds to start the WPS connection mode. Step 3. Press WPS. Quickly press the WPS button on the Verizon Jetpack within 2 minutes to pair the devices. Step 4. Confirm connection. Check the printer's Wi-Fi light stops blinking and stays on, confirming the connection is successful. Step 5. Complete setup. Follow the HP Smart app prompts to finalize the setup and manage your printer from any device. After completing these steps, your printer should be connected to your Verizon Jetpack successfully. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.